The death row inmate in Oklahoma will get a new trial after the Supreme Court ruled prosecutors violated his rights. Richard Glossip was convicted of ordering the killing of his boss in 1996. But after the trial, independent review suggested prosecutors knew a key witness was lying and failed to correct the testimony. Senior Washington reporter Devin Dwyer is following that case for us. Devin, what went into this decision?
This is an extraordinary case, Diane. Richard Glossip has been the face of the death penalty in this country for years. He's previously been to the Supreme Court in a failed bid to strike down lethal injection. And today, after being scheduled for execution 9 times, served his final meal 3 times, Glossip is going to get a new trial. The justices today, in a 5-3 decision, said that errors you referred to there during trial back in 1997 deprived him of his constitutional rights to due process. Glossip has maintained his innocence for 27 years. He said he did help one of the men who murdered his boss get away, but he was not involved, he claims, in the actual killing. And the only evidence was the testimony of the person who actually executed the boss. That man, Jason Sneed, is in prison. Sneed testified against Glossip, but he was also on psychiatric medicine at the time. He denied it on the stand, Diane. Prosecutors didn't correct it. His credibility is all that was really holding up this case against Glossip. And even the Republican Attorney General of Oklahoma, an avid death penalty supporter, came out in favor of a new trial. And today the Supreme Court, in a decision by Justice Sonia Sotomayor, said he will get one, Diane.
So what are the next steps, Devin, and when could we see this new trial?
Well, I was just in touch with his attorneys and his legal team. They're not sure yet whether he'll get released. In the meantime, whether that new trial will commence quickly or not. But the bottom line is that a man who was really set to be executed and on the cusp of that will now get a shot to prove his innocence. Now, the Attorney General of Oklahoma, who wants a new trial, says he believes that Glossip is not innocent. He thinks he will get a conviction, so they're definitely going to try again. But what a remarkable twist in a rare case, Diane, that this conservative Supreme Court has actually ruled in favor of a death row inmate, Diane.
All right, Senior Washington reporter Devin Dwyer, thank you.